probability and statistic video. Fastest growing YouTubers. And we're going to look at all the YouTubers that's been the fastest of growing, what they do, and how they achieve it. Let's get into it. So first, fastest growing YouTubers in the span of 30 days. First, you know who we got. Cristiano Ronaldo. August 21st, 2024. His first 24 hours growing 10.5 million subscribers. Most in world history in a day. But he also broke another one. In the 30-day span, he gained over 60 million subscribers, which is also the fastest in a 30-day span. So my man Ronaldo just breaking records. Second, you know who we got. Mr. Beast.
Yeah, I'll see you guys later.
Gaining about 13 million subscribers in the 30-day span in the month of January 2025 of this year. And to this day, which is, I'm recording this on May 2025, he leads with the most subscribers ever on YouTube still. And number 3, YouTube, this is his name. YouTube, this is his name. And it was hiding this stat from me, but I was looking deep. The fuck, boom. Finding this stat on his own channel. I was trying to look for the blogs. Some blogs shared them, some blogs didn't. Because he is the dude that writes Skippity D Toilet. I think I am saying it right. But it did look like some good, like crazy animation. So yeah. Number 4, in the 30-day span, we got Base School, a Minecraft animation channel popular for its most series, Monster School. Biggest gain around 3.7 million in July 2023. Yeah. And we got Brandon a parkour and a stunt video. He does all types of crazy tricks and jumping on buildings like he's Spider-Man and stuff like that. So I like seeing that. Go subscribe to him. But like and comment and subscribe to your boy, me. Ha! Now, what do these channels got in common? First, consistent uploads. They keep viewers engaged and returning for more. Always got a consistent scheduled time. Second, I'm gonna say global appearance. You know, they use translation, or they do videos where it doesn't need to be a language barrier for most audience. So I could do a parkour video like my man, and he don't need to say anything. It's just entertaining stuff to watch, you know. And they have also translators. Number 3, basically entertainment. You just got to be entertaining. You got certain music niches, certain thumbnails, certain trends to even follow just to be entertaining. Second, the mastery of the algorithm. They just know the algorithm. They know the titles. They know the strategies. They know what to do in their watch time. They know the strong thumbnails. They know it all. And last, you see that Mr. Beast chocolate bar in Walmart. You starting to see Coco Melon merch, things in that nature to bring you back. Oh, what's Mr. Beast? Oh, Mr. Beast chocolate bar. Let me go subscribe to him. So yeah. Now, I got a statistics. I made a reaction channel. It's a level 1 YouTube page. That's what I call it, because it's very simple. You just watch other people's video, give your thoughts on it, and you post it. I posted a video every day. My element was to watch educational and kid-friendly like content. Then I started just ending up watching trendy or highly anticipated content. You know, like the GTA 5 coming out. You know, stuff, just major news, trending topics, basically. And I didn't really promote it. I just kept posting and posting and posting. I just wanted to see how much subscribers I can actually get just posting. No promotion, no TikTok, Instagram promotion, none of that. I gained 3 subscribers and 105 views posting every day. With a watch time of 1.5 hours. Yeah. But statistics say you do grow 2 to 10%. And I gained 3%. Let's go. So other reaction channels, where they fall in line, or just regular channels. So small channels, they gain about 5 to 25%. They can grow quick from a viral video, especially a trending topic. So if you just got a trending topic and you under 10K, you post something, you're going to grow crazy fast. A medium, 10K to 100K subs, 3 to 10%. Growth steadily come because, you know, you're consistent. YouTube is actually pushing your videos, putting you in an algorithm. Large, 10K to 1 mil. Growth slow but stably, regularly uploads. You're going to get that 1 mil. Usually when you hit 100K, the growth is slow, but you're going to hit that mil because it's 100 to 1 mil. But you know you hit the mil if you just consistently upload and put out good videos. And then the very large 1+ mil is 1 to 3% monthly growth. Unless you're doing something crazy. Those are my probability statistics of the fastest growing YouTuber. What you like, what you learn, and how can you put this in your train of thought or your YouTube. Like, comment, subscribe, and your boy out. Peace.